How many of you are currently working a job that you don't like? Raise your hand if you feel like you're stuck and unsure of what to do next in your career. If you're feeling unfulfilled or dissatisfied with your current career path, it's natural to consider a change. However, making a drastic shift without proper planning can lead to instability and stress, potentially impacting your personal life, financial security, and overall well-being. That's where the concept of a smart resignation comes into play. In this video, we'll delve into the idea of a smart resignation and discuss when and how you might want to consider changing your career path while minimizing disruption to your life. We'll draw upon scientific theories and real-life examples to guide you through the process, so grab a notebook and prepare to discover how you can navigate this journey thoughtfully and strategically. Scientific foundations of smart resignation. Before diving into the practical aspects of a smart resignation, it's important to understand the scientific foundations that can help you approach this process effectively. Let's explore three key concepts: stress and coping mechanisms, decision-making models, and goal-setting theory. Stress and coping mechanisms. Career transitions, including resignation, can be highly stressful. Our bodies are equipped with stress responses that kick in when we perceive threats or challenges. Understanding these responses, such as the fight, flight, or freeze response, is crucial. According to the American Institute of Stress, prolonged exposure to high stress levels can negatively impact our mental and physical health. Developing healthy coping mechanisms is essential to manage stress effectively. These can include mindfulness and meditation, engaging in physical activity, seeking social support, and practicing hobbies or activities that bring you joy. Decision-making models. Making a significant career change involves multiple decisions. Applying a structured decision-making model can provide clarity. One effective model is the cost-benefit analysis, which entails listing the advantages and disadvantages of each career option, along with their associated costs and probabilities. Another model, the decision tree, allows you to visualize the consequences of each choice, making the decision-making process more transparent. Goal-setting theory. Setting clear and achievable goals is fundamental to a successful career transition. The goal-setting theory posits that specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals enhance motivation and performance. By setting SMART goals, you establish a roadmap for your transition process, enabling you to track progress, stay motivated, and make adjustments as needed. Social cognitive theory. This theory emphasizes the role of self-efficacy, which is your belief in your own ability to succeed, in influencing your behavior and performance. According to Bandura, if you believe you can achieve a certain outcome, you are more likely to take action toward achieving it. In the context of a career transition, having high self-efficacy means believing in your ability to find a new job, acquire new skills, and adapt to a different career path. You can build self-efficacy by researching your target industry, networking with professionals in your desired field, and acquiring new skills relevant to your target role. As you gain experience and receive positive feedback, your confidence in your abilities will grow. 2. Practical strategies for a smart resignation. Now that we've covered the theoretical aspects, let's dive into practical strategies for executing a smart resignation. These steps will help you make a thoughtful and strategic career transition. Step 1. Assess your current situation. Before taking any major career leap, it's crucial to assess your current situation thoroughly. Consider three key areas: financial resources, health insurance, and your support system. Financial resources. Evaluate your financial standing honestly. Calculate your monthly expenses, including housing, utilities, transportation, food, and entertainment. Determine your savings and how long those savings could sustain you without your current income. Research the average salary for the roles you're considering transitioning to. Ensure that your financial assessment is realistic and accounts for at least 6 months of living expenses to provide a buffer during the transition period. Health insurance. Understand your current health insurance coverage, including your premium, deductibles, and out-of-pocket expenses. Explore options for continuing your current coverage through COBRA, which allows you to maintain your existing health insurance for a specified period. Look into marketplace plans if you're not eligible for COBRA. Consider the costs and benefits of different plans to ensure continuous health insurance coverage throughout your transition. Support system. Identify your support network, which may include family, friends, mentors, or career counselors. Discuss your plans with them, seeking advice, emotional support, and practical assistance if needed. A strong support system can significantly contribute to your resilience and success during times of career uncertainty. Step 2. Research and plan your new career path. With a clear understanding of your current situation, it's time to research and plan your new career path. This research should encompass identifying your target roles, conducting a skill gap analysis, and exploring networking opportunities. Identify target roles. Invest time in exploring different career paths that align with your interests, skills, and values. Research various industries, job titles, and companies to gain insight into different careers. Utilize online resources such as LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor to gather information on job descriptions, salary ranges, and required qualifications. Skill gap analysis. Compare your current skills and qualifications with those required for your target role. Identify any discrepancies or skill gaps that need to be addressed. Consider acquiring new skills through online courses, certifications, workshops, or volunteer work. Prioritize the development of skills that are both essential for your target role and can be acquired within a reasonable time frame. Networking. Reach out to individuals working in your desired field. Connect with them on professional networking platforms like LinkedIn or attend industry events to meet new people. Engage in informational interviews to learn about their career paths, the skills and qualifications necessary for success, and any advice they may have for someone considering a similar transition. Step 3. Develop a transition plan. Creating a comprehensive transition plan is crucial for a smooth career change. This plan should include a timeline, a financial strategy, and a skill development plan. Timeline. Establish a realistic timeline for each phase of your transition. Consider the time required for job searching, skill acquisition, and financial planning. Set deadlines for completing each phase, allowing for flexibility and unexpected delays. A well-defined timeline helps keep you accountable and focused throughout the process. Financial strategy. Develop a strategy to bridge the potential income gap during your transition. Analyze your financial assessment and determine how you will manage your expenses if your income is reduced or temporarily halted. Explore options such as reducing non-essential expenses, seeking part-time employment, or utilizing your savings. Having a solid financial strategy reduces stress and increases your chances of a successful transition. Skill development plan. Create a detailed plan for acquiring the necessary skills for your target role. Outline specific courses, certifications, or other skill-building activities you will undertake. Determine the time frame for each skill development activity and identify resources or support needed to ensure successful completion. Regularly review and update this plan based on your progress and any changes in your target role requirements. Step 4. Prepare for your resignation. Once you've developed a solid transition plan, it's time to prepare for your resignation. This involves giving adequate notice, documenting your work, and maintaining professional relationships. Notice period. Adhere to the appropriate notice period as outlined in your employment contract or company policy. Providing sufficient notice allows your employer time to find a replacement and ensures a smoother handover of your responsibilities. Knowledge transfer. Document your work processes, projects, and any relevant information to facilitate a seamless transition for your employer. Create guides or manuals that can assist your replacement and offer to train your successor if possible. This step not only helps your employer, but also reinforces your knowledge and skills. Maintain professional relationships. Nurture positive relationships with your colleagues and employer. Express gratitude for the opportunities and experiences you've gained during your employment. Stay connected on professional networking platforms and keep in touch with former colleagues. Your network will be invaluable as you navigate your new career path. Step 5. Execute your transition plan. After preparing for your resignation, it's time to put your transition plan into action. This phase involves actively pursuing your new career opportunities while staying committed to your goals and managing any challenges that arise. Job search. Begin actively searching for new job opportunities that align with your target role and skills. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each position you apply for, highlighting the relevant qualifications and transferable skills. Network with individuals in your field and attend industry events to learn about potential openings. Networking. Continue expanding your professional network by attending events, joining industry groups, and connecting with professionals on LinkedIn. Nurture these relationships as they may lead to job opportunities or valuable insights. Building a strong network is essential for career growth and job security. Skill development. Dedicate specific time slots to develop the skills outlined in your plan. Pursue courses, certifications, or volunteer work to enhance your qualifications. Track your progress and celebrate milestones to stay motivated. Continuous learning and skill development will make you a more competitive job candidate. Financial management. Carefully monitor your finances throughout the transition process. Track your income and expenses diligently and adjust your financial strategy if needed. Explore part-time work or freelance opportunities to supplement your income if necessary. Prudent financial management reduces stress and ensures stability during career transitions. Manage stress and maintain well-being. Prioritize your mental and physical health by engaging in self-care activities such as regular exercise, meditation, or spending quality time with loved ones. Seek support from your network when facing challenges. Practice mindfulness to stay focused and positive during the transition period. Taking care of yourself is crucial for making thoughtful decisions and navigating career changes effectively. A smart resignation is a well-planned and strategic career transition that minimizes disruption to personal life and financial stability. By carefully assessing your current situation, developing a comprehensive transition plan, and prioritizing, you can navigate the challenges of career change successfully and create a fulfilling future. The key is proactive planning, realistic expectations, and a commitment to self-care throughout the process. Remember that change, while challenging, can also bring exciting opportunities and personal growth. So take the time to plan, prepare, and support yourself through this journey towards a more fulfilling career.